Hi everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Easy Craft video. I hope all my viewers are fine and enjoy the day of life. If you new my YouTube channel then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. I am back with another beautiful idea about the designs of Merry Christmas collections, centerpieces, decoration ideas for your house. As you know that without decoration Merry Christmas is so incomplete. So I collect beautiful idea of my viewers. So thank you so much guys for watching my YouTube video and collecting my beautiful channel and in these collections. 70 plus unique idea recreate and transfer your house beautiful centerpieces, fresh centerpiece designs for my viewers. Beautiful idea, beautiful creativity. Fresh idea for fresh years and the designs will look so attractive. I hope you enjoy my video. Most beautiful, most amazing and most creative designs. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And I give more idea about the designs of Merry Christmas, how to create and how to transfer your house on the days of Merry Christmas 2025. These centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. How to decorate your house with a beautiful way on the days of Merry Christmas. All the designs are very unique and trending. All our modern way to celebrate your house with a festival way on 2025. I hope you enjoy my video. I hope you love the designs of creativity. If you have any question about my YouTube channel then please ask me in comment box. Please visit my channel. Please watch this video to end. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. These centerpieces look so attractive, so stylish, so amazing. If you like any designs and take a screenshot of it and also do try my amazing and beautiful designs. If you new my YouTube channel then don't miss any other amazing video like this one, then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. If you want to see more make party decoration ideas, cake decoration ideas or centerpieces look decoration ideas, then please visit my channel. Then don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you so much everyone for watching my YouTube video. Centerpieces look so attractive and enhance the beauty of your table decorations. I hope you love the design, beautiful and creativity. Thank you so much.